With the recent release of Apple CarPlay in most Lexus models, customers can now enjoy the benefits of Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto system. Let me show you 4 of the main features of this fantastic system. First up, navigation. You can now save time by navigating your way around using Apple Maps, Google Maps and other navigation maps like Waze. You'll even have access to turn-by-turn directions, points of interest and live traffic information. So this functionality can be controlled via either the voice command button on your steering wheel, the touch screen or the controller pad in your center console. You can also use these controls to manage your music. Through Apple CarPlay you can listen to your favourite tracks on Spotify, Apple Music and Google Play. The third great benefit with Apple CarPlay is the voice command, meaning that you never need to take your eye off the road. So utilising Siri or Google Assist, you can get the latest information on weather, news or traffic updates. And finally, never miss a phone call with hands-free phone and messaging. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allow you to send and receive calls and messages. This functionality can all be controlled using the voice command on your steering wheel. Alternatively, you can use your touchscreen or your center console pad. And these are just some of the benefits of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For further information, please come and visit us at CDC Lexus.